What's up, YouTube? So I'm happy to be back again. So I have something very interesting to show you this in this video, and this video too, I will also be revealing some trade or some assets you should be looking to buy or sell. So it will be very interesting for you to pay attention so that you can also take advantage of this asset. But the bad news is that one of the assets, which is Ethereum, is already probably it might have actually started its bullish run that I'm expecting. I'm already into it actually, but we'll talk more about that. But so you want to subscribe to this channel so that you can learn and help yourself as a trader. Okay. So if you feel that you need me to hold your hands and walk you through and make you a master yourself, or you would like you becoming a master just like myself, of this trading thing, then that probably you want to take my mentorship. So in that case, just check my bio. You will see my Telegram and my Telegram and my IG handle there. So just send me a DM, send me a message. I will reply to you. Okay. So let's go to my computer screen and get this done. Meanwhile, if you don't want to subscribe, at least try and like the video. Okay, please and like the video. Just show some support, some love by liking the video if you don't feel like subscribing. All right. So let's go to my computer screen and let me show you all these things.
Okay, what's up guys? What's up? So we are on my computer screen, so let me just show you what I mean by analyzing the chart like a pro, or analyzing the market like a pro. Okay, so I have actually talked about so many things, but let's just put them into practical. Let's just put them into practical right now. So now that we're on my screen, this is BTC. So like I said before, that Bitcoin, what happened is that Bitcoin, after 150 to 1 after 150 about 150 to 160 days after Bitcoin halving, there is Bitcoin always undergo this bullish run. Okay, and if we are to go up, if we are to go about that, okay, by late this September or early October, we should be experiencing this bullish run from BTC. And what happened is that when BTC is in a bullish run like that, altcoins tends to follow suit, just like I mentioned initially. Now, this information that I'm giving now, you can only get them fundamentally. And one of the ways in which I get some of this information by this information is by clicking on places like this. Okay, you will see informations like now, crypto investment products see 436 million inflow, while Ethereum continues to suffer. Why do we have investment inflow right now? So these are information probably based on what I've just experienced. Other investors, people are looking at or expecting that bullish run. So those are the things that you want to read this kind of information. Crypto tends to watch analyst detail 10 reasons that could lead to massive 4-quarter gains. Okay, on crypto, BTC exchange deposit dropped to year lows as rate cut looms. Stuff like this 2 hours ago. These are the recent ones. So you want to read this information and see, understand your fundamental bias. Okay, what are investors looking at? What are they doing? Okay, so this is how I get my information and my analysis. The fact that a lot of people are actually expecting bullish run by late September and stuff like that might actually be encouraging people to start putting money. Okay, you can see this information that indicates. So as a result, if you after you see that, you want to come to your screen to check the technical analysis and see if it supports this bullish movement. Okay, on 4 hour right now, I see this double bottom and I see that this market is coming down. But if you come to daily, okay, what you are going to see is going to be different. Okay, if you look at daily, okay, I can see triple bottoms, which actually signifies is a price action pattern that signifies what do we call it, momentum to the upside. And if you check your RSI indicator, I can see is divergence to the momentum to the upside. Okay, if you check from here, okay, so there is momentum. In fact, started from here. Okay, there is momentum to the upside. Okay, so this move might actually get here. Maybe you want to wait for it to get there, or it could start retracing from here to the upside like that. Anything can happen. Okay, but the fact is everything is showing that it's going to be momentum to the upside. Okay, if you don't see good entry, because here now I don't see any good entry, other altcoins, other coins might have already started showing you the opportunity to go bullish on this on crypto coins. Take for example Ethereum, because I'm actually on Ethereum right now. Okay, Ethereum. Okay, so this is Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum on daily time frame, it already gave me this double bottom. Okay, so this double bottom, I can see my momentum to the upside. Okay, everything is coming to reality. I can see my momentum to the upside. Okay, so now this leg that is coming here, it might get here to form another bottom, whatever it is. Okay, so so if you look at it on daily 4 hour, you see what's going on there clearly. Okay, you see what's going on there clearly. So basically, let me just zoom it so that we can see it properly. So you can zoom it and see it properly. So you can see the double bottom. That's the recent double bottom that is about to be formed. So if we get down to this point, I don't know, it may get to this point before it start moving. So that is where, and it could start turning up from here and start going to the upside. So anything can happen, but we know that the market is definitely going to go bullish. That is the idea. So even if it comes down to this point or comes down below here to whatever, just be looking for an entry opportunity. As it is right now, even if it hits my stop loss right now, I will still be looking for buy opportunity in the market, and I know in the long run all my losses are going to be cancelled and I'm going to definitely profit from the Ethereum market. So that is what I want to be looking out for. Okay, so that being said, that is for Ethereum right now. That is for coins. Basically, you can check other coins if you want to take entry on Bybit and all that. So let's check what's it called, the other asset that I'm looking at, which is crude oil right now. So this is another asset that I intend trading, and the reason I wanted to trade this is because of what's actually happened in in Gulf of Mexico, the hurricane that affected the supply of crude oil from that region. So and when that happened last week, I think so, it happened last week, I guess. All this, I was already seeing some kind of reverse head and shoulder pattern. So I was just waiting for the second shoulder to form, but I'm not seeing that yet. So I don't know if the market turns down from here and continue. If it comes here, I will take an entry, but right now I'm not in the trade. But I complement all these things with what is going on fundamentally, not just technical analysis. Okay, not just technical analysis. So in the case of currency pairs right now, I'm actually looking for Euro USD. My focus is on Euro USD actually, because I'm seeing this and I'm expecting this, but I want to wait for Fed rate cut first and see what comes out, the data that come out after Federal rate cut. I want to see if it's going to help the currency, I mean USD, if it's going to help USD. Okay, I don't know, maybe they are going to cut it by 20 basis points or 50 basis points, so I don't know yet, but whatever it's, I just want to make sure that whatever Fed is going to do is going to affect the currency positively. Hence, I will be looking to short Euro USD, and if I have a better entry on GBP USD, I will also take that advantage. I will also put that into consideration. But I don't usually just trade because it's going to a resistance zone here. I want to see something like this. I want to see this particular momentum leg that is going. I want to see exhaustion of that momentum, but only Euro USD is showing me that. So basically right now, that is what I'm considering on Euro USD. So as for S&P 500 and Nasdaq, I've been in this trade since last week. So, and I'm still holding the trade. The fact that it's at this resistance doesn't mean I'm going to enter unless this particular leg that is going to give me a sign that the market is about to reverse before I can get out of this trade. The same thing applicable to Nasdaq. So I'm still holding this trade. So let's see what will happen, as I want to see what's going to happen. So I'm still in the trade and I'm still going to hold the trade for as long as I can. All right. So that is what I want to show you. The idea, or what I'm trying to let you understand here, is the fact that whenever you want to take trade, try to also consider what the institutional traders are thinking, and the only way you can get that is not just from fundamental, not from fundamental basically say. You want to know what's going on fundamentally. If you don't want to do too much, okay, you can just read, just click here and read the news that's going to here. Okay, tech stocks are drag on Nasdaq and S&P as caution reigns ahead of Fed decision. That's talking about interest rates, something like that. Tech stock drag on S&P. So you want to consider all these things. What's set for miss open caution start of Fed with this week. So that is FOMC meeting, I guess. So these are the things you want to read and understand what is going on and what the big guys are trying to do or what they are looking out for, and you want to understand their bias in that situation. So basically, this is what I want to show you. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe. Okay, I will give you more content. I will show you more ideas, more things to put into consideration before you take trade. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.